In October 2017, astronomers detected something unprecedented, an interstellar object passing through our solar system. They named it Oumuamua, which in Hawaiian means messenger or scout. Since then, it has been the subject of intense scientific debate and speculation. Its trajectory, its elongated shape, and its inexplicable behavior made it one of the greatest enigmas of modern astronomy. Now, thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we have the first real image of this interstellar traveler. Oumuamua looked like nothing we had ever seen before because, unlike comets, it had no visible tail and no signs of outgassing. And unlike asteroids, its acceleration away from the sun couldn't be explained by gravity or known forces. Since its discovery, hypotheses have been put forward, ranging from fragments of hydrogen ice to the possibility that it is a spacecraft designed by an advanced civilization, but no answer had been conclusive until now. Launched in December 2021, the James Webb Telescope is designed to solve the deepest mysteries of the universe. Its ability to observe the infrared spectrum allows it to capture details impossible for other telescopes. When Webb turned its gaze toward Oumuamua, now much further from our solar system, it captured something incredible, the first real image of this mysterious interstellar object. The image from Webb has confirmed what could only be speculated before. Oumuamua has an elongated and asymmetrical shape with a surface marked by grooves and craters, indicators of billions of years traveling through interstellar space. But what is most surprising is the composition of its surface, complex organic compounds and elements not commonly found in our solar system. This, of course, suggests that Oumuamua originated in a cosmic environment very different from our own. One of the biggest enigmas of Oumuamua has been its anomalous acceleration as it leaves our solar system. Webb's observations have ruled out outgassing, but have raised new possibilities. One intriguing theory is that the acceleration could be caused by an exotic mechanism such as a light sail, a hypothetical technology that uses the pressure of light to move through space. Thanks to the James Webb Telescope's ability to analyze the light reflected by Oumuamua, scientists have managed to unravel the composition of its surface. The data reveal a mix of metallic mineral compounds unknown in the solar system, along with traces of elements that could form organic molecules. Among the most fascinating findings is the presence of a highly reflective material that could explain its unusual brightness, as well as compounds that suggest that Oumuamua may have formed in a young, dynamic star system. These discoveries offer key clues about the processes occurring in regions of the universe where matter is organized in completely different ways than in our cosmic neighborhood. One of the most recent theories suggests that Oumuamua could be a fragment of a planet destroyed by extreme gravitational forces. These forces, caused by a massive star or a nearby black hole, could have stretched and torn the planet apart, forming objects with unusual shapes. If this theory is correct, Oumuamua would be a survivor of a catastrophic event, carrying with it the history of a lost world. This opens up a new world and window to study how star systems evolve and change over time, and how catastrophic events can give rise to objects that end up traveling through the galaxy. The organic compounds found on Oumuamua's surface have led to speculations about its role as a carrier of the building blocks of life. In a universe full of possibilities, could Oumuamua be a natural vehicle for distributing these molecules to other star systems? This phenomenon, known as interstellar panspermia, raises the possibility that objects like Oumuamua play a key role in spreading the ingredients necessary for life across the cosmos. Not only does this redefine our understanding of the universe, but it also makes us wonder whether our own existence could be linked to similar events in Earth's past. Oumuamua is more than an interstellar object. It is a time capsule that carries with it stories of cosmic events that occurred billions of years ago. Its study not only teaches us about its origin, but also about how star systems interact and evolve in the galaxy. In addition, the analysis of what Oumuamua lays the groundwork for future missions designed to intercept and study these interstellar travelers, offering a new perspective on galactic dynamics. This discovery is a reminder that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered, and Oumuamua is just the beginning. Oumuamua has not only challenged our scientific theories, but also our perception of our place in the universe. Its arrival reminds us that we are a small part of a vast and immense cosmos where events like these occur continuously, even far beyond our sight. If this object truly has an artificial origin, something not born out of natural cosmic processes, but instead created or shaped by an intelligent entity, it could represent humanity's very first indirect contact with an extraterrestrial intelligence. This concept, once confined to the realms of science fiction and speculative philosophy, would suddenly transform into a tangible scientific reality. Such a discovery would not only challenge but completely redefine our understanding of life, its prevalence in the universe, and the possibilities of intelligent civilizations beyond Earth. The implications would be profound, touching every field from astrophysics and biology to philosophy, sociology, and even theology. It would alter the narrative of human history, shifting our perspective from being solitary explorers of the cosmos to potential participants in a much larger galactic network of intelligence and purpose. Oumuamua, in this sense, has become more than just an interstellar visitor. It has become a spark, igniting the imaginations of scientists, engineers, thinkers, and dreamers across the globe. It has already begun to inspire a new generation of explorers to look beyond the boundaries of our own solar system and to ask bold questions about what lies beyond. Among the most ambitious of these responses is the development of forward-looking space exploration projects, such as Breakthrough Starshot, which aims to create ultralight spacecraft, tiny, smart probes capable of traveling at relativistic speeds, a significant fraction of the speed of light. These probes, propelled by powerful laser sails, could one day allow us to reach nearby star systems within a single human lifetime. But this is just the beginning. Future missions inspired by Oumuamua's mysterious appearance may not only seek to detect or observe such interstellar objects from afar, but to intercept them directly, to rendezvous with them in the dark and lonely reaches of space, to study them up close, and perhaps even to retrieve samples for in-depth analysis. These missions would serve as the foundation for a new branch of space science, interstellar archaeology, the study of artifacts or remnants that may originate from other solar systems or even alien civilizations. They could answer some of the most elusive questions ever posed, questions about where we came from, whether we are alone, and whether life is a universal force embedded in the fabric of the cosmos. With each new astronomical discovery, each signal, each shadow, each unexplained movement in the heavens, we inch closer to a future where humanity is no longer just observing the universe through the lens of curiosity, but actively engaging with it. Oumuamua, this silent traveler from another star, may be the first of many such objects to pass through our system, and its presence reminds us that our solar system is not a closed, isolated system, but an open crossroads within a much larger galactic highway. The very fact that something like Oumuamua can travel billions of kilometers, untouched for eons, and still arrive in our celestial neighborhood, is proof that the universe is far more connected than we once believed. In this light, Oumuamua, the interstellar messenger, is no longer just an object that briefly passed through our solar system. It is an invitation, an open door to a universe bursting with possibility and wrapped in mystery. The discoveries surrounding it have already reshaped the field of astronomy, compelling scientists to reassess long-standing assumptions and driving new research into areas once thought too speculative to consider. It has inspired new hypotheses about the nature of space, time, matter, and life itself. And perhaps most significantly, it has rekindled a deeper sense of wonder, one that compels us to look to the stars not just for knowledge, but for connection. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity has now taken yet another giant leap forward in its quest to understand the universe. With its ability to capture light from the farthest and faintest corners of space, Webb has given us a clearer glimpse into Oumuamua's physical properties, allowing us to peer into its ancient, time-worn surface and uncover clues about its possible origin. These observations are helping scientists decode how objects form in other star systems, how they survive the harsh conditions of interstellar space, and what secrets they might carry with them when they arrive here. Oumuamua is a powerful reminder that although we may be small in scale compared to the universe, our curiosity, and our relentless drive to explore are qualities that make us uniquely powerful. It shows us that greatness is not measured by size or might, but by imagination and discovery. The universe does not merely invite us to observe, it invites us to dream, to wonder, to reach beyond, and to embrace the unknown with courage and hope. And Oumuamua, mysterious and silent as it may be, could very well be just the beginning, the first note in a much larger cosmic symphony still waiting to be heard. What other incredible secrets lie hidden in the stars, waiting to reveal themselves to those who are brave enough to look? Only time, and our tireless pursuit of knowledge, will tell. Now we invite you, what are your thoughts? What do you think Oumuamua is truly telling us? Could it be a messenger, a relic, or even a signal from beyond? Leave your ideas, theories, and questions in the comments box below. We'd love to hear what you think. And if you're passionate about unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos, make sure to subscribe to the channel, activate the notification bell, and join us on this incredible journey through time, space, and the secrets of the stars. There is so much more to explore, and this is only the beginning. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.